to my Python video. I'm going to be doing another coding bat problem here. This will be from the List-1 coding bat problems, selected at random. I have decided to do this rotate left 3 problem. So let's read at the top here. Given an array of ints length 3, return an array with the elements rotated left. So 1, 2, 3 yields 2, 3, 1. You'll see the example there. They use that in the first example again. In the second example, 5, 11, 9 becomes 11, 9, 5. And in the third example, 7, 0, 0 becomes 0, 0, 7. So this should be pretty okay because manipulating lists in in Python is pretty straightforward. So we have the nums will represent the list here. And the first thing we need to do here is we need to create a holder variable which will hold the first item in that list. This holder variable will hold the first item. Remember, you use the 0 to grab the first item. And then we're going to take that second item and we're going to put it into the first item. So now the first item will be the second item. So we've taken the 1, we've put the 1 into a holder variable, that's what we did right here. Now we've taken the 2 and we put it into 1 spot. Now we're going to take the 3 and put it into 2 spot. Oh, excuse me. There we are. And so now the 3 is in the 2 spot. Now we need to take our holder variable and put it in the 3rd spot, which is labeled as the second spot here. Okay, and finally we need to return something, because if we don't return the nums, the nums array as it's now been created, then we'll just have none if we run this right here down in this print statement. So you want there we go, or excuse me, print rotate left 3, and let's put in our first example here. And we'll run that. Okay, and we can see that we got, from putting in 1, 2, 3, we got 2, 3, 1. We'll do one more example, so let's copy that. Beneath that, we'll do 11, 9, 5, or sorry, excuse me. It should be 5, 11, 9. Okay, let's run that one. Okay, and that's going to be 11, 9, 5. Perfect. Okay, so, and we can do that final example there just to make double sure that there's nothing funky here. Here we'll do 7, 0, 0. Okay, and 007. So pretty cool there. We got James Bond here at the end. Thank you very much for following me on this video. If you like it, press like and subscribe for more. I also have a full complement of Java videos I'm doing as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day.